go into Sephora or Ulta to look for a new foundation and get overwhelmed with your options? Well, in this video, I'm gonna make it a little bit easier for you. I've been doing makeup professionally for over 16 years, so I know a thing or two about what works on the different skin types. If you're oily, you probably want something that's gonna help control your oils. So you're gonna have to look for a foundation that's a matte finish. You want something that's gonna be more of a medium to full coverage, because something that has more coverage in it is going to be more mattifying. That's just how it goes. And if you're like, well, I am oily and I wanna control the oils, but I want it to look natural, then you're gonna look for something that says natural matte on it. And don't worry, the foundations are gonna tell you what the finishes are. Now, here's the thing, there's a lot of tinted moisturizers that say that they're oil-free, but do know that if it says it's a tinted moisturizer, it's going to give your skin a natural finish. It's gonna be more satin. So if you want something that's gonna make you look matte, make sure it says that it's matte and don't get a tinted moisturizer. Now, on the flip side, if you are dry like me, you wanna avoid everything that says oil-free. Oils are good for your skin, my friend. And so you're gonna look for foundations that are more of a sheer to medium coverage and have a satin or dewy finish. Probably more on the dewy side because you wanna give your skin that hydration. Tinted moisturizers are going to be really good for dry skin if you want a natural finish, but sometimes they're a little bit heavy because of the moisture. So I would look for tinted face oils or, like I said, sheer foundations like Makeup Forever's Reboot. If you have combination skin, I want you to look for satin finishes. What does that even look like? Basically in between matte and dewy. It's gonna be that sweet spot right in between that's gonna make it look like you have nothing on. And your skin just has a natural glow. And if you have mature skin, you probably are gonna want something that has extra hydration in it. Hydration is gonna be your friend because as we get older, our skin stops producing oils. So you're gonna wanna compensate using your skin or your skincare and your foundation to make you look young and youthful. And side note, any foundation that gives you a glow or any dewiness is gonna make you look younger. Dewier and glowier skin equals a younger looking complexion. Follow me for more makeup tips and tricks.